Exactly. And I think it's also important to remember when you're supposed to be washing your hands. Obviously, before you start handling any food, but also during food preparation if you switch between tasks, and then again after you're done,
Mm,
especially if you've been handling raw meat, poultry, or seafood.
right. We don't want to be spreading those germs around. Okay, so we've covered our hands. What about surfaces and utensils?
Yeah, that's another really key area. It's so important to be washing your cutting boards, your utensils, your countertops.
Wait, you mean after every single thing that I cut?
Ideally, yes.
Hmm.
After each food item you use it with, you should be washing it with hot soapy water. This helps prevent what we call cross-contamination. Like imagine you're cutting up some raw chicken on a cutting board, and then you use that same cutting board without washing it to chop up some lettuce for a salad.
Oh, yeah. Yuck.
You're basically transferring bacteria directly from the raw chicken to your salad ingredients.
So separate cutting boards, separate everything, and wash it all really well in between.
That's the goal. And then even for things like fresh produce, rinsing fruits and vegetables under running water is also really important. You want to make sure you're removing any dirt or potential contaminants that might be on the surface.
Okay, so clean, check. We've got that covered. Let's move on to the second big idea. Separate.
So when we talk about separating, we're mainly focused on preventing raw foods like meat, poultry, and seafood from coming into contact with foods that are already cooked
Yeah.
or that you're going to eat raw.
Because those raw foods can carry bacteria that can make us sick.
Exactly. You've got it.
So how does that actually work in practice? Let's say we're at the grocery store. What do we need to be thinking about?
Right from the start, even in the shopping cart, it's a good idea to keep those raw meats, poultry, seafood in separate bags, away from your produce, away from other groceries.
So they're juicy